This morning, President Trump officially issuing a major disaster declaration for the Garden State. Earlier, Governor Murphy was asked about the president's hope that the country could start reopening by Easter.
The numbers aren't telling us that we've broken the back of this and we're meaningfully going in the right direction. We won't be able to open up the state responsibly at that point. I hope sooner than later. Believe me, there's nothing that would make me happier. But we can't. If we go too early, I'm fearful we will throw gasoline on the fire and we'll have a much bigger challenge on our hands. And the challenge right now is pretty darn big to begin with.
A new drive-thru testing site opened exclusively for Essex County residents who have coronavirus symptoms. And earlier, Newscopter 7 was over the testing site in Paramus, which reached capacity once again before it even opened today. The sites can only do a limited amount of tests a day. New Jersey reporter Anthony Johnson live in Newark at the testing siting there with more on the screenings. Anthony.
Well, what we're seeing here is certainly more orderly than we've seen at the FEMA sites where they take all of the state residents that want to come in to be tested. This one here in Newark is by appointment only. And while this center just opened today, the mayor of Newark had to issue a tough mandate last night telling people that he wants them to do the very best they can, ordering them to stay indoors. The newest testing site opens in a heavily guarded Weequahic Park. The only entrance to the facility is here on Meeker Avenue. So there are signs and postings all around the park to drive with your windows up to this location. Once inside the park, motorists are being directed toward large tents where the testing is being conducted. While the site is only for county residents, there are also signs telling everyone else to go to the FEMA-run sites for all state residents. As the county initiates its first round of testing, the mayor of Newark says with the number of cases in the city on the rise, he had to take drastic measures to keep people off the streets and to stop large gatherings. Last night, on his Facebook post, he said the city has 123 cases of COVID-19, and he's mapped out the hot spots in the city. So to that end, the mayor has issued a shelter-in-place mandate.
We live close to each other. We do not have a lot of so we have to put some restrictions in.
The mayor says he expects the hot spots in the city to move around and possibly grow. So the shelter in place is the only option. He also questions the morality of young people who continue to move around the city without regard for the vulnerable population. And here at the site at Weequahic Park, we have seen the police helicopter flying above, making sure that nobody is able to make it close to the testing site by just walking into the park. Every entrance is guarded. Meanwhile, the Archdiocese here in New York issued a statement last night saying that they're postponing all weddings, baptisms, funerals, and wakes for the foreseeable future.